How's it going, everybody? This is a 118 scale for Crown Victoria police car, unmarked, by Motormax. This car is custom circuit board, custom patterns that I created myself. No damage to the vehicle whatsoever. It's run off of 2 AA batteries located in the trunk, switches underneath the trunk. 2 flash patterns, continuous loop, clean police car, all blue lights, custom tinted windows. And that's the front. That's the rear. It's hard to tell, but it's hard to tell the flash pattern, but it's there. It's just the camera can't focus right. Anyway, batteries are in the trunk. Switches on the bottom. Custom wheels. Working headlights, windshield, rear windshield, tail lights. Switches on the bottom. And you can tell how tinted the rear windows are. So it looks pretty good. This car is custom. I sell different cars on eBay. For custom orders, just message me. I install lights in any 118 scale car. It could be a regular car, it could be a police car. Whatever you guys want, just let me know. I'll get back to you. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.